Hi guys and welcome to our kitchen. We need more storage place for our stuff. And here, as you can see, we have nice empty wall, and here I'm going to build some kind of a storage system. Unfortunately, we have a pipe here. It's not even in use. It's going other side of the wall and it will just stop. So we have some limit how wide this thing can be. Also this pipe, it's going through the floor, and under there it will make a curve, so I can't make this thing all the way to the floor. I have to lift it up a little bit and I will just screw it to the wall. These pieces I bought from our local shop, and I think these are perfect for this build. These bigger ones are 2 meters by 20 centimeter, which is perfect. The smaller ones I have to cut to smaller pieces, 30 centimeters per piece. This is going to make how wide this cabinet will be. I need about 9 or 10 of these. These pieces I will attach together with wooden plugs and wood glue. This part I don't want to mess up, it would be bad, so I have to be careful not to drill too deep. Because I will screw this thing to the wall, I will drill here a few more holes for the support pieces. Here and the other side, of course, and also to the lower part of this. I want to have some contrast to this boring white. I will paint this black. It's time to cut the smaller pieces. I want to have them 30 centimeters wide. I just made this basic stopper here, so all these pieces will be 30 centimeters wide. And that's the most important thing with this one. All the pieces are now done with the router. Now I will start to prepare these for the paint so I can paint these edges. Just tape all these pieces and then black paint. I will start with the small one and I will try how it works. Finally, all these pieces are now painted, holes drilled. Next I will let this paint dry a little bit, then I will start to put these things together with wooden plugs and wood glue. It's now Saturday morning, 9:18. I have to be quiet. I have to use my silent mode for this one. So this is about how these doors will look like. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 windows. I found a little bit smaller brush, which should be a little bit better. At least I'm not losing so much paint for nothing. Is this maybe this is a little bit slower, but next I have to find out that how I'm going to put these things together. To the other side, the back side of this window frame, I will cut some kind of place for the window, and I will do it with my router, of course. Only with these wooden plugs and wood glue it won't be that stable, but when I will cut these window pieces here and I will use some silicone, that will make it more stable. Next I will cut these windows to the smaller frame. Then I will glue these windows. When the glue is dry, I will add some silicone to this side, that it looks a little bit nicer and makes this frame a little bit more sturdier. I will just make some kind of jig that I know that it's 90 degrees. I don't like that I can see this brown wood here, so I will fill these gaps with the white silicone. There will be 2 hinges per door, and this will come about like this. I will cut some slot for these with my router. Next I will drill holes for these magnets. This next step, it's totally unnecessary, but I will paint the backside of this window with white paint just to get a little bit more even. How guys? Hi guys and welcome to my. Hi guys and welcome to our. Hi guys and welcome to my kitchen.
Oh my god.